Welcome to Core Devs Call 38. We can go ahead and get started. Just quickly covering the working groups. So this is more of an ask if there are any working groups updates from DA Interface or ZK working group. Okay. Chat. And we'll go to CIP updates. So in the last Core Devs call, we had a batch of updates where the CIPs that we discussed in the last Core Devs call, CIPs 39, 40, 41, all moved to final. And CIP 42, which is a matcha upgrade for V6, was moved to last call. So today, actually, the last update we need to do, after we talk a little bit more about the V6 upgrade, is to finalize the CIP for matcha, which is going to be 42. So the last call deadline is today. I wanted to go ahead and check, I guess, now and then in a few minutes, if anyone has any changes they want to make to this before we make it final. And the reason I want to do that is because the Arabica upgrade for V6 was successful. There is a bug that's still ongoing with Ghost Square, which is causing issues for DA nodes on Arabica, and that's a work in progress. The current plan, assuming that gets fixed, is to have a release for Mocha on the 23rd of September. We'll have that upgrade happen over the 24-hour period then, and then the signaling period will start on Wednesday. We'll aim to, within 3 days, submit the try upgrade and have that upgrade on the 29th. And I guess you might have noticed we're looking at Celestia status page, at least. Yeah, we are. So this is something that's new. It is not detecting the actual status of any blocks or anything. This is purely for network upgrade announcements right now, basically. And we're still working out like really how this will be used, but that's the purpose right now. So any upgrades or announcements that you'd normally get in Telegram and Discord, you can now subscribe to here with email, RSS, or Slack. And this will just give you another option to get upgrade announcements. But it also allows us to schedule things in advance to give node operators a little bit more of a heads up. So yeah, the previous upgrade we did on Arabica is on there. The current bug is on there for Arabica. And then we also have flagged that we're aware of the ICA and reward claim issues in V5. So I wanted to go through that real quick. You can find it at status.celestia.org. But with this bug mentioned, basically, the current plan is to have this on Arabica or Mocha next week. So with all that being said, I just wanted to get like a confirmation from everyone that we can move this to final from last call. And since we're using a new, I don't know, platform, I guess if you could like give a thumbs up if we're good there, or drop a yes in the chat or something. And I want to end my monologue, I guess. Does anyone have any questions, or is there anything else that we need to talk about today? Because that's all we had planned for today's call. So I guess, yeah, for the record, there was only thumbs up I saw. We can move the matcha CIP to final. So myself and other editors, we can do that after the call. Are there any other topics to talk about? Anyone have any questions? Anything I missed? I will take the silence as a no. Hey, Alex, we're just wrapping up. I guess quick summaries. We went over the matcha upgrade, which will be on Mocha next week, and then I just was showing off the status page, which I'll send you in Slack. But yeah, do you have any questions or anything that you wanted to bring up regarding V6 maybe? Cool. I'll take that as a no. All right. That's all I had. I guess if no one else has questions, we can set the date for our next call, which should be in 2 weeks. And I think it'll be September 30th. Yep. All right. We'll see you at the same time on September 30th. And looking forward to getting Mocha live with Matcha.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you. Bye.